Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from reaching a higher level of productivity in this F-150. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.